Today, we're going to continue to work on our comprehension skill of comparing and contrasting. Remember, comparing is when we see how two things are alike, and contrasting is when we see how two things are different. Our focus right now is going to be these first two paragraphs right here. Most everyone in the line outside the soup kitchen was bundled up to keep warm. Many had to rely on only thin layers to protect them from the cold. Like other men in line, Dad bowed his head as if in shame. The line moved slowly. Ruth became bored. She began practicing her dance steps. I sang an upbeat tune to give her some music. Around us, people lifted their heads. Frowns turned to smiles. Folks began clapping along. Hearing the supportive response, Ruth danced with spirit. So let's focus in on the first paragraph right now and get a clue about how Dad and the other people in line are feeling. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pen here. So we want clues about how the people in line are feeling. So at the end of this, we see Dad bowed his head as if in shame. If you're feeling shame, you're not feeling really good about yourself. You're kind of down on yourself and not really feeling up to seeing other people, talking with other people. So then here in the second paragraph, things do change a little bit. Ruth and Shirley, being bored and being children, decide to start dancing and singing. And at that point, people's feelings start to change. So we can see here that people are lifting their heads. We see that frowns turn to smiles. We see that people began clapping along. So there are a lot of things that make this second paragraph different from this first paragraph when we're looking at the way people were feeling. So please keep these things in mind as you answer the next question.